In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get trophies fast here in Brawl Stars. But before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Brawl Stars content like this. Now, if you want to push your trophy count quickly, here's what worked for me on my other account. Now, I do want to start by saying this is my alt account that I just created for these videos, but in my other account, I've gained over 1,200 trophies in just 10 hours. And the secret is super duper simple. You're going to want to use brawlers with low trophy counts. If your brawler is currently at 0 or low trophies, your first 200 to 300 matches are most likely going to be against bots, meaning you're going to get easy wins and fast progress. Some players even got 500 or 600 trophies per hour using this method just because of how efficient it is. So the trick is just simply rotate through your brawlers to one that has less trophies overall to farm those early wins as fast as possible, just because it is right now the easiest way to grind trophies. Let me know down in the comment section below how many trophies you end up getting with this method and this trick. And before you leave this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Brawl Stars tips just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.